Hey everyone, want to search for files faster using ueli? Instead of manually browsing through folders in File Explorer, ueli lets you quickly find files and folders directly from its search bar, helping you save time and stay productive. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to search files with ueli step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure ueli is running on your computer. If it isn't already open, launch it from the Start menu. Once running, you'll usually see its icon in the Windows system tray. Press the global keyboard shortcut to open the ueli search bar. By default, the shortcut is Alt plus space, although you can customize it in the application settings. Type the name of the file or folder you're looking for. As you type, ueli searches its indexed results and displays matching items almost instantly. Use the up and down arrow keys if multiple results appear, then press Enter to open the selected file or folder. You don't need to open File Explorer first. If certain files don't appear, check ueli's settings to make sure the folders you want are included in its search sources or file indexing configuration. Adding frequently used folders can make searches more accurate. Use specific file names or keywords whenever possible to narrow your search results. Shorter, more precise searches usually help you find files even faster, and that's how to search files with ueli. By using a simple keyboard shortcut and the built-in search feature, you can locate and open files much faster than browsing through folders manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.